What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this Lotus Eletre S that we have right in front of me here. This is the Kaimu grey Lotus Eletre S with yellow badging, gloss black finish at the front. Now let's do a POV walk around for this whole unit, and this actual car is up for sale. You can contact Lotus Cars Malaysia at Pavilion Damansara Heights to find out more about this unit. So let's start off. Daytime running lights are here. Currently it's actually off. Your main headlights are actually down here, which is actually currently off as well, which I'll turn it on in a while more to show you. The fan right here, because the aircon is actually on the inside, so therefore this front section here is open for it to suck in the air to cool down the battery while your car is stationary. So gloss black finishes are all the way here, all the way down here. You have options to make this become a full carbon fiber if you wish to. It's all an option to add on. Same as the top right here. This also is in a gloss black finish, which can be in a full carbon fiber top here as well. Opening for this, as mentioned before, if you're getting the R, the Eletre R, then the opening here is bigger, but if it's the Eletre S, then it's slightly more narrower. So that's how the front looks like. Now, the spec of this car is having a Kaimu grey exterior. This is a solid paint. It's not metallic, so it's a solid finish of a paint. Kaimu grey is what it's called. So the wheels on this are 22-inch gloss black 5-spoke wheels with carbon fiber inserts. Now the carbon fiber options are actually over here, if you can see. You also get your caliper in red, which is an option to add on, but this right here comes like that. Yellow badging. If you wish to go with the black badging, there's also an option to go with that as well, but in this case we are focusing on this car. So right here, 22-inch wheels at the front, and it's beautiful. The wheels of this car looks absolutely beautiful. So now we have a black lining all the way over the wheel arch from the front, connecting all the way to the back. There is some opening for the car here where air can flow through from the front, including over here as well. So the top here brings in the air, all the way exits at the back of the bumper right here, and then it flows here, exits here, all the way up to the side here. So cool. You got your side mirrors versus having a camera. Now you have an option to go for a camera as well, but in this case this car is equipped with a mirror, so side mirror. And then the top here is actually having a roof rail. So if you wish to go with the, how to say this, the intelligent glass roof on the top, then this rail will not be here. So in this case it's here. So yeah, side, if you wish to go for the side piece all the way in black, this is how it will look like. Otherwise, this whole piece at the bottom should be in a carbon fiber finish, together with the top here as well, the wheel arch. Now if it's a carbon fiber fully extended carbon pack, it's going to be full in carbon fiber. This finishing over here is going to be over here. So now let's move on to the sides. The rear, 22-inch wheels at the back, but they are staggered tires, so they are much more wider. You get the same wheel looking design, but the caliper in red is slightly smaller because the back brakes are slightly smaller. Yellow badging, 5-spoke carbon fiber inserts for the wheels. You get this piano black finish for the rear all the way. Let's move on to the back a bit, take a look. So it looks really stunning and awesome to look at. You get some chrome lettering here. You have an option to go for the fully, how to say this, gloss black lettering as well, but in this case this unit comes with the chrome. Stunning. You got some carbon fiber spoiler all the way here. Now this is your wing, which if you slow it down, you can actually how to say, put it all the way down. The faster you drive, it goes up higher. So in this case right now it's at the highest mode. Later on I'll show it to you if it's lower, how would it look like. Got some winglets over here, left and right. Cool, beautiful looking. Privacy glass on the rear 3 glasses here. That's why the front glass, if you notice, is a bit different. Then the back one is slightly darker, and then the rear one here is also dark as well. So these are privacy glass for this particular unit. Now there's some opening here for the air to flow through from the wheel arch in case if it's strapped. So it wants to exit out, so it exits out right here. So it goes out. And check out the back again one more time. So yeah, open up the rear boot. Let's see what's on the inside. So 5-seater configuration. You can fold down the rear seats if you wish, and you have your other stuff that is stored right here. If you wish to store other stuff, you can. number plate, Lotus 516, different design here and there, but of course the EV plate will be in white. You can do that for the car. You can lower down the height of the car to go a little bit lower in case you want to store things inside, much more convenient and easy. And let's close the rear boot. Take a look at, closes, the light turns on. Oh no, in a while more, because I believe so it is. Now it's on. Okay, cool. So let's move on to the back again. Oh no, and move on to the left. Cool, I believe so. Now it is. So yeah, let's move on to the back. Now here we have the rear brake light already turned on, but unfortunately it's not really braking just yet. But this is how it looks like with the lights turned on. Now the front with the daytime running lights as well as the main headlights, that's how it should be looking like. Super fun to look at and to actually drive. Beautiful looking car. So let's move on to the inside. Right here, driver's seat. Oh wait, not yet. Let's move on to the back. So this is a 5-seater configuration. Comes with your tricolor black seat belts with some yellow and some green, some Lotus colors here. The seats are actually foldable. You can actually put them all the way down, create more luggage space for you to store. You have a compartment right here to keep some stuff. Let me open that up. Right here, keep some stuff right here. Close it back down. Cup holders, 2. Close it back, push it back up. So yeah, this does not come with a intelligent glass roof, but if you do come with an intelligent glass roof, then the top part here will be able to can look through from the back all the way out. Super spacious rear seats. Show it to you guys. Spacious indeed. That's exactly how much room is left. You can move around left to right. Check out the outside here. Super nice. Really, I love this design. Absolutely unique. KEF audio sound system. You got 23 speakers in the car, all over here, the back there, hidden at the back there, right there. So very nice and awesome design. I love it. And yeah, you're having a lot of these options that you can configure with the car if you wish to. But I believe this is the grey Magnetite interior, which is a no-cost option, which you can go for this. It looks absolutely stunning. Ambient lighting, you can choose to change it if you wish to. Already looks stunning in a way. Now let's move on to the front seats of the car. Oh, child lock. There we go. Open up this side. Right here. So we are in the main driver's seat. Adjusting my seat forward a little bit. Steering wheel is currently in a locked position. Let's put the key card back there, change it to drive, so we can move the steering to the center, and we're back to the center. Push back to P. Okay, so we leave that key card here. You got some cup holder storage compartment. You can keep some stuff here as well. And earlier I mentioned that you can actually fold down the rear wing, put it back down. The wing fully goes down back again. Show it to you guys in a while more. But yeah, you got some regen braking over here where you can adjust the brake level, how strong you want the brake to actually, the electric motor to actually slow the car down compared to you using your brake. That's on the left side. Driving mode on your right, you got tour, you got range. So you have all sorts of different driving modes that you can choose from. So all you got to do is just play around with the right side here. So that is for the driving mode on your right side. So wiper, right side, lights, left side, cruise control over here, setting the speed, setting the limit, volume up, volume down, for you to use your voice assistants. The child lock earlier was on, got to turn it back off. Your mirror adjustments are here. You got 4 adjustments for your window. Door opening is electronic, or either you can use the the manual one, which is right here. The boot opening is right here as well. So the pedals are coming as this. These are the standard pedals, not the sport pedals. So it's very simple and clean. If you go for sport pedals, then you're going to look at a lot of this chrome stuff that's going to be surrounding the area. Place to charge your phone if you wish to. This is where you put your card for you to activate and just drive off. You have a key fob as well for you to use, or you can just use your phone as well. So cool. Glove compartment storage, open up from here, folds back all the way down here, close it back up. Main buttons are here, lock and unlock. Aircon adjustments are here. Some nice wooden finish on the left side, same over here. Super nice, and I love the details. So it's a grey interior, grey stitching all over the whole place. Lovely. Let me change the ambient lighting to show you guys. Lights. We go down here, maybe we can put some red, goes into red. Maybe you can put some blue, goes into blue as well. Or maybe you just want it to be white, then you can have it also in white. I think the white looks really nice. Let's leave it at that. Now, as I mentioned before, the seat belts are tricolor black. Really nice indeed. Standard seats, not the massaging seats, so therefore it's without the lines over here. By right, there's supposed to be some lines here and here. But if you notice, the seat doesn't come with those lines. That means the seat is a normal 5-seater, not a comfort seat, which is massaging seats. So let's move on to the back. The rear wing is currently down, and this is how sleek the car looks without the wing actually up. So you got your carbon fiber spoiler right there, and yep, right now the wing is already down. So let's turn on the signal for the car. Hazard light, turn it back on. Let's move on to the rear and take a look at the back. Beautiful. I love how the signal goes from left to right, right to left. Amazing. You got some turn indicators on your mirror, and you got some here, the front. So when your daytime running lights are actually on, it's going to be on, but when you put your signal left or right, then you will just replace it with that. Later when you switch it back off, you realize the top part also lights up. So let me show it to you guys again. Off that. So earlier, if it was a signal, it's only the bottom part, but right now with it turned off, the top part also lights up. So really nice. Now let's open up the front here to see what's at the front. Go to the side, let's go a little bit down, open twice. Soft close doors for the car as well, the Eletre S. So let's go inside right here. Charging cable, you can keep it right here. Right there is your charging cable. You guys want to open and see how it looks like. That's brand new, untouched, really nice. Let's push that back down. Cool. So that's the front, very clean and nice. Let's close that down. Left, right, all the way down. Soft close doors, as I mentioned here. Soft close. So you get some wordings for the ACBC, which is Anthony, Colin, Bruce Chapman. Right here, excuse the dirt, it's been raining lately, so yeah, ACBC. Very nice as well. Charging, AC/DC on your left side of the car. Close it back like this, or from the inside, you can choose to do so. Now yeah, this car is absolutely beautiful, guys. If you'd like to find out more about Lotus, there is one place where you can go, which is Lotus Cars at Pavilion Damansara Heights. We are located, Lotus is located right there. No longer working for them, but yeah, let's take a side view of how the car looks. Looks really unique and very nice indeed. Let's move on to the back. Super cool design. I love this design, guys. Amazing. So thank you guys for watching, and see you